This French toast is super soft, delicious, and very easy. Okay, so all you need is bread, egg, milk, and sugar. That's all. So first you get your bowl, you add egg to the bowl, and then you add your milk and you add your sugar. So you can either use the liquid milk or you can use the powdered form. Any one you want to use. It's not compulsory you use the liquid one. So you just add your egg and your sugar and your milk to a container and then you mix. So you're not adding any salt, you're not adding any spice. It is just milk and sugar you're adding to the egg. After that, you get your bread, remove the sides of your bread. So now you're just going to should I say sprinkle or should I say rub the eggs on the bread. So you're going to rub the eggs on each bread. So you're just going to line them up. The first bread, the second bread, the third bread. If you're using four, no problem. But I'm just going to be using three for this video. So it's either you're using sliced bread or if the bread is not sliced, you can just cut it to the slice you want and then you just use it like that, but don't forget to remove the sides. So after soaking your breads in your egg or after applying eggs to your breads, all you need to do next is to get your pan. So you get your pan, you put your pan on fire and then you add butter to the pan. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, after subscribing, like I would always say, please kindly turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified. And we now have a playlist, so you can check out our playlist channel for any of our videos you're interested in. You would find them under the playlist. So yeah, you get your pan, you put your pan on fire, you add butter to the pan. Once the butter has melted or once the pan is hot enough, you just add your bread to the pan. So now you're going to make sure you heat all sides of the bread. That's the front, the back, and the four sides of the bread. So you're going to heat it up, and that is how simple and easy this soft French toast is, guys. This is delicious. I don't know. Anytime I add milk to egg, it is always super delicious. You need to try. You need to try, especially this recipe. You need to try my banana in bread French toast recipe. You need to try this one also. This is super delicious. If I should make this and I just bring it out like that and cut it open, most people won't believe this is bread. They will feel maybe I use flour and all of that or something else. They won't believe this is bread. But guys, this is bread. Like, if you've seen the video from the beginning to this part, you would know that this is bread. And when I cut it open, even you might still want to doubt this is bread. But yeah, this is bread and it is so soft. Oh my goodness, it is soft and succulent and it is delicious. And again, it is beautiful. Like looking at it alone, you're hungry. I don't know, maybe because I'm a foodie, but trust me, this is nice. This is something you would want to try maybe once in a week. I don't know, once in a month. So please don't forget to check out our other recipes because we have so many recipes. In case you're interested in sandwich, toast, and all of that, we have so many on our channel. So feel free to check and feel free to make requests of any video you want to see on our channel that we don't have there yet, or maybe we have it but it's very far, or you want to see it up. Let us know. We're going to recreate it and repost again. So guys, this is it. I don't know, my camera didn't do justice to this beauty, but trust me, this is beautiful, this is delicious, and this is nice. Thanks for staying with us on today's video. We hope to see you on our next videos and all of our videos. Please have an amazing day. Thank you, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Bye.